Hello, BC and other music lovers. I thought I'd do a quick update on the albums and other bits of stuff I picked up from my music room recently. Now, my vinyl pickups have really slowed to a crawl since I've pretty well picked up all the albums I was actively hunting for now. And only picking up things I come across that look really good to me. A lot of the slowdowns due to the both the price going up on albums and the general availability of things has been pretty bad. I'm really switching over mostly to DSD digital now. Or hope it doesn't knock out my vinyl collecting too badly. Anyway, let's begin. I first picked up a Pink Floyd's Gilmour. Oops, can I get this into the camera? Yes, I can. This is a 2016 repress. And one I was looking for quite a while, but unable to find in any of the stores. It was a David Gilmour's On an Island. This is a 2018 prog rock album. And now from the store bins, those last two were new albums. I picked up a Pink Floyd's Atom Heart, The Mother. This is a 1975 pressing of this rock album. And I also picked up, let's get it the right way around. And I also picked up Pink Floyd's Final Cut. This is a 1983 pressing. Now we move off to the Moody Blues. This is a double album. I'm trying to read what's on it. Okay, there contains the albums The Moody Blues, On the Threshold of a Dream, The Moody Blues, Children's Children's Children, and The Moody Blues, Every Good Boy Deserves Favor. Moody Blues 7 Sojourn. It's a multi-album. This one was found in a thrift shop for $2. I couldn't really turn it down. And that Moody Blues was from 1974, that pressing. And I picked up another Anne Murray from my Anne Murray collection. This is a Keeping in Touch, a 1976 pop album. And I found an album by Asia called Alpha. This was a 99-cent find in Value Village, a 1983 pressing. And a Deva Uri Roth, Crazy from the Heart, a 1985 rock pressing. This is an upgrade album. I've already got this particular EP, but not in as good a condition as this one. Another 99-cent find from Value Village. And we also have a Mozart Symphony No. 41, the Jupiter Suite. This was an excellent find 1989 album from Salvation Army. And now for hardware, we picked up some rubber isolation feet for my subwoofer. You notice they're not installed. I found something really annoying when I tried to install them. And I'll make a little video about it. They actually made the subwoofer sound worse. And I picked up a little device here. It's called an HDMI audio extractor. You put your audio stream in through HDMI and a 24-bit 192 audio comes out the digital feed to send into your DAC. Probably make a short video about that when I get it set up. And I picked up something I am going to make a really quick video about later on. It's a box of pigtails. There's 10 one-foot extension cords in there. Those little pigtails are very useful and get you on the constraints of trying to put the many, many wall warts that everything seems to come with anymore into one power bar. They don't fit. And with the pigtails, you've got a little bit of a standoff and everything fits together nicely. And of course, the most important sound augmentation device I've picked up from my music room was a simulated salt lamp. No room was complete without one of these devices. It cleans up your audio bits and makes the sound just so much purer. Anyway, that's it for now. So long, bye-bye, and see you on the NetTube thing.